Okay, so one other way that we can display our data values is with a stem and leaf plot. So Boston Whiskers really just shows you kind of the range of things, but doesn't tell you what the individual points are. We didn't know what the individual numbers were. So here, if we look at a stem and leaf plot, it does show us our individual numbers, okay? So this is how we read a stem and leaf, and it will usually give you a key. And so here is our key for this. 7, and then the line, the splitting line here, this is the stem, and then the leaf is so basically in this case, this is our 10's value, this is our 1's value, and so when you put it together, you get a 72. So here we had 5 and 2 is 52, 5 and 4 would be a 54, 5 and 6 would be a 56, 5 and 8 would be a 58. And so those would be the numbers that are represented in this plot, okay? So the highest number here would be a 96. The lowest here would be a 52. So the nice thing about these is that they're already in numerical order for us. Okay, the most frequently occurring. It looks like 83 occurs twice. 74 occurs 3 times. So 74 is going to be our most frequent number. Then it asks which 10-point interval did most of these values appear. So there's 4 numbers in the 50s, 3 numbers in the 60s, 6 numbers in the 70s, 3 numbers in the 80s, and 4 numbers in the 90s. So it looks like come in the 70s range where we're going to have 6 values there. Okay. How many are 70 or better? So here is our 70 mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 numbers are greater than 70. And how many are less than 70? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers are less than 70. Okay, so that's the basics of how to read the stem and leaf plot. Then we look at morning and afternoon. We're actually, in this case, talking about the humidity in the morning and the afternoon. So the way that it's being read is this is your stem. Both of these are leaves. So in the morning, you have 78, 78, 74, 89, 84, 80. Okay, those are our stem and leaves. But if we look in this direction, 51, 52, 53, 54, 57, 59. Okay, so this stem is still the first number. The leaf is the second number. Okay, so in the morning time, the highest was going to be 89. Okay, and then the lowest in the afternoon is 51. Okay. And then just kind of looking at this, does it tend to be higher in the morning or in the afternoon? Well, generally your mornings are in the 70s or the 80s, afternoons in the 50s, so it looks like the answer would be in the morning. Okay, so just another way, again, these should all be review, something that you've seen before, but this is just a good recap, quick little blast to show you some examples. We've got one more set we're going to do next, and then your study island actually has a really good review on the lesson as well. So if you need extra help, I can show you some other resources, but we got one more that we're going to do in the last video.